So a lady close to me was selling these black sapotes. They're also called chocolate pudding fruit because when they're ripe, they taste a lot like chocolate pudding. And so they are in the persimmon family. So if you eat them unripe, they're very astringent and tart. But when you let them ripen, so these two are unripe, and I heard that you're supposed to wait until they look like they're basically rotten. And I tried that last time. I didn't really like it. It was too much. So this one is just, you could see it turned slightly browner than the other ones. And this is the way that I like them. It doesn't taste as rotten as the other one. So I'm going to cut this one open, add some honey onto it, and it tastes very similar to chocolate pudding, especially if you put it in the fridge for a couple hours to cool down. So I went ahead and pulled the seeds out. So this is what the black sapote seeds look like, and you can plant them. I had one of these earlier that ripened before these, and so I went ahead and planted them. So this is about 3 weeks worth of growth. As you can see, it's popping up right there. I've got one right here, and the seed was buried, so I'm going to assume that it is sprouted as well. And hopefully there's going to be about another 2 plants that pop up, but we'll see. And so they don't grow necessarily true to seed, but if you have them anyways, why not go ahead and try planting them? So it'll take about 5 to 7 years before they should start fruiting, is what I read. But it's an interesting way to try and grow some trees for free. So it's got the honey on it. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and then this way you will be healthy and still get to enjoy chocolate pudding for breakfast. So as I was eating my delicious healthy breakfast of chocolate pudding, I had a thought. So I wonder if you can use this in baked goods because it has that rich chocolate taste. And so it would probably taste really good in a baked good like bread or something, or maybe even cake. So if you guys have tried that, let me know because that might be my next step once these sprout, to do some bacon with it.